Hi guys, my name is Wasif and welcome to Wasif Tech YouTube channel. And today topic is what is Adobe Commerce as a cloud service. So start my video. Adobe Commerce as a cloud service is poised to redefine the future of digital retails. As the e-commerce landscape evolves rapidly, businesses are under increasing pressure to deliver faster, smarter, and more personalized shopping experience. Adobe latest SaaS offering entering the market with Adobe Pulse, bold promises, Adobe powerful experience cloud ecosystem. Unlike traditional platforms that require complex infrastructures management and costly maintenance, Adobe e-commerce cloud as a service aims to simplify commerce while unlocking new level of ability for both B2C and businesses to innovate quickly without sacrificing customizations. But can this new approach truly meet the expectation of modern retailers and outperform established players like Shopify and Salesforce Commerce? In this article, we'll explore what makes this product unique. Hadoop Commerce as a cloud service overview. Hadoop Commerce as a cloud service offers a comprehensive future-ready solutions that enhance digital agility, simplifies complex, and support rapid business growth, whether you're growing retailers or a large enterprise. Understanding how these platforms work can help you unlock its full potential. What is Hadoop Commerce as a cloud service? Hadoop Commerce as a cloud service is purposefully engineered to deliver exceptional flexibility, scalability, and operational efficiency. Is powerful empower businesses to expand their digital capabilities and accelerate innovations in an increasing competitive market. One of the foundations strength of these platforms lies in this its cloud native architectures with built-in elastic auto escalation. The system can dynamically allocate resources to accommodate traffic spikes, ensuring optimal performance at all times. Furthermore, the platforms reminders continuously up to date, eliminating the need for manual patchings and versions updates. The storefront is deployed at the edge, significantly improving performance and reducing latency and users. The onboarding experience is strengths thoughts self-service, providing users can quickly launch sandbox environments or even product instances. All necessary component are automatically configured and personalized, allowing businesses and get started without delay or complexity. Hadoop Commerce also Hadoop as composable architectures, enabling each service to be a dependency and deployed, scaled, and update. This modularity support an API first extendability model which allows the developer to seamlessly integrate third party service or replace component as needed. This modern approach ensures that the businesses can tailor the platforms to their unique requirements by selecting only the features they need. In addition, Hadoop providing a set of pre-configured services, including merchandising tools and optimize storefronts, and adding ability to develop and extend features using the Hadoop developers app builders. These features are automatically integrates and provides helping teams save valuable development times and reduce operations overhead. Another notable advantage is the platform's update system. Hadoop continuously add new features and security patch without requiring manual intervention. Users are noticed app upcoming updates and coverages the fully headless architectures, secure and automate hosting. Adobe Commerce offers a uh, secures automate cloud natives and hosting environments designed to simplify development and maintenance with integrated self-service capabilities. Merchants can manage their commerce applications with speed and agility from providing environments to scaling resources. The platform's useless operationals assess enhance asset management and content delivery, streamlining workflows across teams, comprehensive API coverage. The platforms provide APIs, platforms hire adaptables, a unique business needs. Headless architectures for ultimate flexibles. Hadoop architecture complex also the full support the fully headless declares architectures allowing businesses to develop their front of the experience. Hadoop e-commerce services SaaS principles and do names beyond the license. Hadoop's costly and designs to upgrade from the one days to enhance your store's functionality and appearance. To invest the premium themes extensions, they fully usually evolves and backends efficiency. Takes all factors into account. A fully operational Hadoop commerce store could cost anywhere per years up to per years for complex enterprise depending on their size of the business of level. Key features and capabilities of Hadoop Commerce as a cloud service. SaaS is built to support modern scalable digital commerce experience. It brings together a powerful set of features across or core commerce operating intelligence, merchandising, images and global dynamic categories merchandising. Customers re-engage leveraging and behavioral data to create strategies and re-engage and improves lifetimes front find and experience content creations medias and assess the game's digital asset management stores deliver a high quality image and it calls to supports automatically realizing the cops and generating AI management data onboarding kits quality brings to the together and catalogs empowers your teams. Key benefits of Hadoop Commerce as a cloud service. Whether you're scaling a growing business or optimizing an enterprise level operating Hadoop, Commerce Cloud offers powerful advantages tailored to modern digital demands. Below are some of the key benefits that sets your parts. Cloud scalable adopts protecting while minimizing the need for annual maintenance or costly downtimes. Who gain the most value for Hadoop Commerce SaaS solution? For many businesses, migrations to the new commerce intense, requiring them to build much of the customs functionality. The already optimized its Hadoop's SaaS Lightning's fast functionality. How to Hadoop plans to redefine e-commerce in 2026. How Hadoop plans to redefine the e-commerce landscape, the entering the pivots era, the Hadoop, the positively itself, the in front of the backbones already have two tools built for tomorrow commerce. Final words. Hadoop Commerce as a cloud service hold immense potentials to reshape digital and commerce with its scalability, performance, and AI-driven futures. However, implementing and optimizing these powerful platforms can be complex, especially for businesses lacking in-house technical expertise. That's where BSS Commerce comes in. You starting fresh and or updating your current setups. We make your digital transforms smooth and successful. Contact us today to unlock your full power of Hadoop Commerce as a cloud service. So friends, my topic is complete. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.